All right, Phil, what do we got going on today?
Too much.
Too much. What are we starting with? You said it. You said we got 3 things, right?
Yeah, correct. We're gonna knock down a couple of trees.
Yeah.
We're gonna stuff some sausages and build a box.
Nice. What's your what spices go into your secret sausage mix?
I don't know what you have, but a lot of garlic.
All right.
Hey, Chris is on a little adventure. He feels energetic. Got a chainsaw, and our plan is to knock down 3 trees. It's okay. Let it go.
There we go.
There she is.
This is how Chris gets things done. He invites people over for the weekend and then he puts them to work.
It's looking good. I may not have cut it enough.
How do you get the chain? How do you get that out?
Well, we'd pull it out. Let's try and drive it a bit more. Go for it.
Damn thing.
Yeah. There you go.
It's going. Okay.
Let's see the hard work of Phil and his tree clearing today.
Is that okay with you?
That's awesome. Look at this woodshed.
These suckers gotta be.
Phil is rewarded with a seat and some apple fritters and a cider.
Let me take a bite.
I'll do it.